The offset entities command creates new sketch entities offset from the existing sketch entities. Offset entities, and I specify the offset distance, say 5 millimeters, and as I select the sketch entity, it offsets, create an offset entity, and I add more entities, or if you select chain, so all contiguous sketch entities are selected and they are offset. You can reverse the offset direction, or you can choose bidirectional. In this open sketch case, you can add end cap by either creating an arc or line. You can also turn the base geometry into construction geometry. So if I do that, now the original sketch becomes construction geometry. So undo. So select that again, offset entities, select chain. And if I select offset geometry, and both of the offset and base geometry become construction geometry. And if the base geometry is unchecked, then we get offset construction geometry. You can also use the existing body for creating offset sketch entities. Offset entities, select existing edge, and you can reverse that. Right-click, select loop, and you can create offset sketch entities. And if you want to change the offset distance, there's a dimension, and you can change it to some other value.